Hello, today we're going to sew the Santa Fe block. So I'm going to give you some tips on that. So come on over here, Gerald, and let's show them that's the block we're making right there. So I already have part of mine done, but what I want you to do is get out your cut sheet and cut your pieces according to this, and then move on to your book to page 24. And then what you're going to do, starting on page 24, is take each one of your strips and join them to the background. And I would do this all at once. Take all 4 strips, join them to the background per the instructions. And then press all your sets towards the dark. Then you're going to take each one of the first 3 and cut 8 strips 1.5 inches. And each time it'll be 8 strips 1.5 inches until you get to the very last one, which will be only 4. So your last color will be only 4. So then you're going to take your 4.5 inch square, okay? And you're going to take your first set and you're going to put it right sides together. And if I were you, I would do all 4 of these at once, but I already have 3 of them done. So we're going to start there. And I got my needle down, of course. I'm just going to stitch that using my 1/4 inch foot. Go ahead and clip. And I didn't feel like getting the iron out today, so I'm just going to go ahead and use my fabric folding pen and take and run that along my seam line that I just sewed. And then use that. It'll help the seam lay flat. I don't have to go to the iron, and I'm still getting a nice pressed seam. And be sure to check in your book. It'll tell you the direction to press the seams. So of course you want to do that. I think I had it right the first time. Okay, so then with the same color, you're going to sew one of the 1.5 inch blocks onto each one of those pieces. So then I'm going to set that on top of, and I'm kind of making an L each time. And then I'm going to check my seams right there, nest those 2 seams together, pin at the intersection if you want. And then I'm coming back over here to my machine and running my 1/4 inch again. Making sure my seams are locked together. Okay. So I think you're getting the idea with that one. Check your pressing instructions again. And then you're going to continue with the same repetition all the way around that block using your different pieces. And you can tell they're right by if the pieces line up or not. If it's too small, too big, you know you have something out of order. So you're going to go ahead and do that all the way around. And then you will end up with 4 blocks that look like that. Then we're going to take the final piece of fabric, and it's set. It's the one we only cut 4 of. And we're going to put 2 of those together, and there's your piece. Then you're going to take 2 more of them. Again, check your pressing. Press it according to the books, and everything will lay perfect. So then that's going to get sewed together. I'll finish this block, sew that together, and then join them again per the picture here and here. And there you go. You're on your way to Santa Fe. Pretty easy block. See you at the store.